This nigga just said you and Surf crackheads, y'all be crying over rock. That's I'm not about to listen to this, dog. What you trying to do to this nigga, man?
We right at him, man. We right at him. We right at him. Right at him. You know what I mean?
That is insane.
He's my little bro, man. I had to just put him in. I had to put him in place.
That is crazy. Ow. Right. Mook reference Eazy. Ah. That's a. Hold up, man. Yo, man, why you trying to do this nigga like that, dog? What? 8 years older? Come on, man. That's a fact. Ah! Stop! What? Hold up, man. This nigga right here, man. What he trying to do right now? He's trying to make me spill my drink.
You have to rewind that back a little bit because you about to miss the next jaw too, you hear me? Like,
is they back to back Easy?
Back to back jaws on him, you hear me?
Right here.
Oh, man.
3:30
in the school. You hear me?
Hey, look, I got 4 of them. I know what type of time he on already. I know what he's talking about when he say that.
Right.
We picking them up. We there by 2:45 and shit, checking in with the teacher.
You already know.
Like, how was they school day? That nigga said the 3:30 in the school. That shit was crazy.
Now, if you try to do one, I'ma do 2.
God, this team is fucking crazy.
If you try to do 3, I'ma do 4. Maybe even more. I go by the name of APPAREL.
Yeah.
What you say? You do 1, I'ma do 2. You do 3, I'ma do 4, maybe even more.
You got one up.
What you say?
Got a 1 up, Easy. That's why we do it. We 1 up every time we do it.
Straight at these niggas.
Eazy, I don't give a fuck. Eazy, I don't give a fuck. Eazy, I don't give a fuck. Niggas say my name and then it's up with them. Niggas on my dick, y'all don't fuck with me.
Right.
See the wave and they loving
That's
me.
a big fact.
I checked, I thought Take Rock and Steam shit.
What? What?
As the snippet went out, I heard that part and I immediately said, "Dog, what the fuck is wrong with this Easy? What we doing? What we doing with that?"
Crib, I said, I said, that's what I'm talking about. I'm right at him. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? I said, I like that shit, man.
And it's not just chess. I see what you're trying to do right now, and that's go directly at everybody that's affiliated with this guy.
Right. Right.
Talk your shit, my nigga. Let's go.
Not the bull, got an ex's mom that had company.
Come on, man.
Nigga, you ain't even old enough to have a preference, little nigga. I've done that. Boomerang, I come back, just a little weed, and all I need is 1 rep.
Ow.
Leave it there, it don't come down.
Yeah.
Cannons like 1 band, 1 sound.
Ow.
Wow, that's not how a gun sound. When you start smoking weed, I gave a whole pound.
What?
So now we plan on the age.
Okay.
we plan on how young the little nigga is.
Man.
I see you trying to sunny, man.
Oh, it's gonna
is that what we doing?
Oh man, lock the
You a little nigga.
Oh, I can't wait till the battle.
You're not even remotely close to what the fuck I am right now. You still in them sheets, nigga. You probably still getting tucked in. I see what you doing, Easy. I see what you doing, my nigga. Just should go.
Could have been next. I took a detour. Wanna end with no service. Is the Peace Corps? Ain't nothing you can do with me. This window is full of opportunities. I've been a bull.
That's a fact.
I've been approved. Catch them coming out of class 3:30s in the school.
Stop! What? Hold up, man. This nigga right here, man. What he trying to do right now? He's trying to make me spill my drink.
You have to rewind that back a little bit because you about to miss the next jaw too, you hear me? Like,
is they back to back Easy?
Back to back jaws on him, you hear me?
This nigga right here.
Oh, man.
3:30
in the school. You hear me?
Hey, look, I got 4 of them. I know what type of time he on already. I know what he's talking about when he say that.
Right.
We picking them up. We there by 2:45 and shit, checking in with the teacher.
You already know.
Like, how was they school day? That nigga said the 3:30 in the school. That shit was crazy.
Dangerous.
Let me rewind it back. You said we're gonna go back.
It's like 5 seconds.
We said we gonna go back. We gonna go back
5
then.
second real quick. You mean?
Mm-hmm.
He fuck
Pretty good and I've been approved.
Right.
Just coming out of class 3:30s into school. Do your sister, get her out the way. You don't kill her. Rosenberg, you see what they do for you.
Come on. That is still one of the most prolific slogans when we come to
Salute
battle
to
rap.
Rosenberg, that's a fact.
Salute to Raw.
That's definitely
That
a
shit
fact.
still. He can make T-shirts to this day, and them bitches just said, "I don't know why you haven't Raw. What we doing? What you doing?" And you know that shit gon' hit. I knew when you was writing, you said this shit gon' hit.
I said, yeah, this was gonna hit. You know what I'm saying? I said, yeah, this gonna hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, you willing to get your sister out to get to me.
That is insane, man.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you see, you not playing.
Yeah, we gonna talk to him. You know what I'm saying? What
you say
say
when
to
you
me,
do this, when
I
you
talk
gonna do this,
you
gonna do it.
really gonna
and you
talk.
gonna do it to hurt these niggas. That's what the sport been about. It always been about that. We gonna hurt you niggas' feelings.
Listen, don't come outside the
Don't come outside.
Don't come outside the slap box. You can't come outside the slap box. You know what I mean? I'm on 100.
I fuck with this. This shit is fire. Hold up, and can I add too? That's less than 24 hours?
Less than 24 hours.
If we gon' bomb, we gon' bomb.
Less than
if you want to play, we
24.
gon' play.
We got to.
That's less than 24. For all you
got
niggas
to.
who be sitting around needing weeks, days, months, years, that's less than 24
Less than
hours.
24. Straight at them.
With crack lines though.
Straight at
them
'em.
shits that's gon' come on, man. Fuck is we talking about? Come on, man. Hold up, man. Can we talk about the cadence, the bounce, and the flow on that shit?
Different. They can't fuck
Was
with
it like
me,
these?
Yeah.
Or was it like this in the booth?
Yeah.
Just going, like what type of time you be on when you in there? What is it? What is like?
It was get over here. You know,
Get over here.
it was get over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, so whatever.
And y'all notorious for having that flow on these motherfucking beats,
Right.
especially these ones.
Yeah, these is our shit.
This shit's is easy.
Yeah.
For years, it always been these type of beats just going crazy.
I can come up with 30 different verses.
The bounce was stupid. I gotta go back.
You know what I'm saying? I can come up with like 30 different genres of this. That's crazy.
Plug told me the oil change, so I had to check the mileage. Giving me op vibes, I accept the challenge. Shoot chest in his chest, and I ain't think about it. Oh, you got hitters in Philly, I hear that all the time. Really got all his in Bronx who really know your mind.
Ow.
I'ma leave it there. We still battle, I'ma clean you there. No move reference is easy hand.
Right.
Just know you provoked
Move reference
it.
easy.
Fucked up so much, asking for water, mean you choking. Focus.
That's
You
a-
need order. You 8 years older than my daughter.
Hold up, man. Yo, man, why you trying to do this nigga like that, dog? What? 8 years older? Come on, man. And I'm not, and I know I kind of glossed over it a little bit, but that whole what you say, the shit he always saying.
Think about
yeah,
it.
think about it. I caught that shit
Chest
too.
right-
I
chest.
caught all that.
I
I
ain't
caught
had to
all that.
think
Think about
about
it. What?
Talking to your old head, rotting, dying on your block. You and surf crackheads got you crying over rocks.
What? You and certain
I gotta do your joint. We gotta walk off like, no! Gotta walk off with that joint, you hear me?
This nigga just said you and surf crackheads, y'all be crying over rock. That shit is stupid. I'm not about to listen to this shit, dog. What you trying to do to this nigga, man?
We right at him, man. We right
What?
at him. We right at him. Right at him. You know what I mean?
That is
yeah, he's my little bro,
insane.
man. I had to just put him in. I had to put him in place, bro.
That is
I had to
crazy.
put him in place. I had to put my little bro in place.
Hold up, man. This nigga, you about to get us. I'm gonna get y'all kicked out. That's what's gonna happen. But it's gonna be your damn fault.
So much asking for water, mean you choking.
Facts.
You gotta be focused, and we need order. You 8 years older than my
Daughter.
You talking to your old head, rotting, dying on your block. You and surf crackheads got you crying over rocks.
Nice.
And when I get there, I'ma win there. Double impact coming. If you ain't choked, you would've been there.
And this is my favorite part when you just get to talking. I like when you get to talk.
Talk. Houston open.
Summer madness coming.
Summer Madness coming. Gnome, Summer Madness. One of them Jones.
That's it. Need more. Need more.
That was 2 minutes.
I don't give a fuck. You go put
that was a 32. That was a 32.
He's 6 feet in there. He need to go 12, nigga. Fuck that. What we talking about? This nigga just went crazy. That was crazy. That rock line, that shit took the cake for me. That's over. It's over. Battle over.
I said, now he just gotta sign a contract now, and we just gotta,
Could you imagine being in front of 2,000 and you say
chest.
that line?
I gave up a lot of shit for this joint. You know what I'm saying? Like, I lowered the load on him a little bit on this joint.
You say that shit right there? Niggas is, bruh, they pushing you off the stage at that point. They going yonkers.
I got some more shit for him.
I know, I'm just saying. I'm only just speaking on what's here, right here, man. Like, what the fuck are we doing? This nigga's chest is probably done, and I'm saying that right now. I'm saying that. And I'm not saying that just because I'm in front of Eazy. I'm going to keep it being with you.
You already know, Polo, keep it real.
Chess will keep him a problem, but he kind of making me feel like, I don't know, Chess.
I'm outside, though.
Chess.
I'm outside. You know what I'm saying? You got to watch the young niggas. Because them young niggas, them niggas try to pull a fast one on you. You got to be.
This was a fire record. This is a fire. In less than 24 hours, you spent the block. You aired everybody you aired the whole block out. Everybody inside like these. Who the fuck out there shooting?
Ain't nobody want no smoke. Ain't nobody want no smoke.
I like this record. You got busy on this bitch, and it's warranted. They call your name out. You come back outside.
I'm done though. They can't keep calling me out though. I got double impact coming.
Sit back and chill.
I got double impact coming. You know what I'm saying?
We got a big matchup coming.
I threw the top tier out. Then I threw y'all the remix out. Then I just threw the response back out just to let y'all know I'm
alone. I'm working.
Listen, I got a bag to get fry. Because if I go in there and fuck this money up, y'all gonna be right on my biscuit. You dig what I'm saying? So leave me the fuck alone, and I'm about to go talk to these niggas. You dig what I'm saying? Like, you already
Fire record. With all that being said, man, it's your boy Battle Rap FANATICS sitting right here with my guy.
Eazy the block captain. Got a city, man. Philly
fucking
shit.
block captain. Philly, what the fuck is good? 215. I feel like I'm affiliated at this moment. Fuck, I should have had my Philly hat and all that.
I got the G City Masters for you.
Oh man, listen. Yeah. That's what we gonna do.
They already know, man.
Appreciate you, my guy.
Appreciate you.
We signing the fuck out, man. Follow me on some of the social medias. If you got a Twitter or Instagram, talk to me on there, please. I talk back. Please do the same to my brother, man. Go ahead and link that.
And don't inbox that nigga. He said he don't like
inbox.
Listen, don't DM my man, man. Hit that nigga on the YouTube comments. He wasn't your man. Yeah. We don't got time for that.
Go ahead and link them to your.
You already know, man. Eazy the block captain everywhere, man. If y'all can't find me, man, just see what's popping in battle rap. I'll be there and all of that. You know what I'm saying? You mean we signing out, man. You know I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate the streets. You know what I'm saying? And that's exactly why we won it.
Right. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button, comment down below, then share this video worldwide because that's the only way we're going to grow. It's your boy PLO. I got a lot more coming. You might want to stay tuned in. Eazy got a lot more coming. You might want to stay tuned in. Understand what we're doing here.
Facts.
I'm signing the fuck out.
Got it.
One.
Right now, I'm really feeling like the one. Right now, I'm in this bitch and I don't give a fuck.